Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I wanted to show you or to give you guys an update of how my living room looks, and yeah, so I have updated versions of things here and there, parts of my living room and parts of our bedrooms. So today's specific video I want to focus on actually the living room. And remember, I said previously, I'm sticking to very minimal or very minimalist aesthetic. So yeah, without much further ado, let me show you what I've gotten over the months, or actually the month that have been here. So the first thing that I've been able to update is this console table. I did a repainting of it. I'm going to show you how I did it, or maybe you've already seen. So I repainted this console table. If you guys remember, I said that I had a problem with the finishes, and then it had scratches and some paints. I got some paint when we were moving houses. So I wanted to work with my local fundi, and then I discovered, or I told myself, you know what, like, this is just a lot of work, and there is no need of him coming and picking everything from my house, going and staying the things to go and stay at his place for another like three weeks. So I decided and challenged myself that I'm going to do the repainting myself. That is of the console table, of the coffee table, the TV stand. The coffee table and the TV stand actually did not have a lot of work to be done on, just minor scratches. But the console and the bed, the work, Jesus, the work. The good thing is I used white spirit, so I started at around 11, yes, and by 12 at night, everything had dried and we slept very comfortably. And while I was printing, definitely all the windows for the whole house were open. So, and when spirit is better than paraffin, it doesn't have that strong scent. So what I did on this console table is just repainting. I don't know, like, if you can be able to see, but I will show you maybe a side to side imagery. So I repainted the console. It's looking very well. The paint that I use is second, because I don't want to be asked this question. So I bought Basco Value. I actually came to understand that I think Basco Paints and Duracoat is one of the same company, either Duracoat or Crown Paints, but Basco Value is a cheaper version of Duracoat or Crown. I will check and maybe share in the description box. So this is what I used. I got 2 liters of this. I got for 450, and imagine I still have some left. That is just in case anything gets scratches over the months or over the years, I can just go in and paint, or just pass by with a brush. Remember, I have a toddler, or yes, I have a toddler. She's 3, she's turning 3, and sometimes she can get really experimental, though I have really taught her to just really take care of things around the house, so she doesn't mess things around. So this is the paint I used. I really have to do this because I don't want to get these questions and I can't say, like, or can't remember what to paint. So the styling of the console is not yet done, but at least it's something to start with. I'll get down. I got this mirror from HOMEBOX. They have a sale, or they actually had a sale, I think 2 weeks ago. I went there when things were like on the minimum, so I didn't really have a lot of choices. The initial price for this mirror was 2,500, and I got it for 1,800. It was such a good bargain for me. This base, I have it, or I had it, I think when we were moving in, that is when I got it. So I've had it for like 1 month now. It is a thrift from a lady who sells utensils. Her name is Lucy, and I actually included in my previous video apartment where I gave her contacts there. She has really nice, and I really say that I love the way this flower vase. It is very heavy duty. The flowers are also from her, Lucy, and it's they're plastic flowers. I really wanted to get them in plastic because I really do not have the energy and resources to be getting fresh flowers time and again. So other than that, I have this decor right here. I have these things around here. This was a thrift from the convent. It's just a base where I put coins and the keys, things that are accessible. These are the keys to the house, and also we have the keys to the gate. That is where we put them. This book, this dummy book, I got it from Sea a while back. This is about a game, chess, not a chess, yes. Actually, it's a double of a chess game, and I don't know this other game, what is this called. And I really liked the way like it's just like a dummy book. So it's just to give this dummy book height because it is one and it really rhymes well with the dummy book. This flower base I've had it previously in my previous house. I had when I was repainting the previous house. I had a video, or I did a video where I tried to repaint this and it flopped because I didn't have enough paint. So when I was shopping for this mirror, I just decided to pop by town, and when I was getting the pillows for my bedroom, I decided to pop by town and I got this. And yes, so once I got this, I got for how much? This I got from House of Leather, I think 5 years ago for 400. It was clear then, so I repainted this with with a gold paint that you can get from any hardware. Though I have shown you when I was repainting on the intro of the video the specific paint I used. Take that. I recommend you take that because the finish is the perfect. It is carat gold. Actually, they call it carat gold. It is perfect if you want like a good touch of gold. These PAMPAS grass, I got them from Home.DECOR 254. I will link their Instagram page down below and also their contact. Each stem was for 50 bucks. I just got them because I feel like they look really nice and they tone down the flowers. Because I have like a bit of greenery and there in the house, so I felt like they tone down everything. This photo frame, I got it from someone. I will also link his contacts down below. That is when we're in the previous house. I got them in white, and I think this specific, I don't know if it's an A5 or an A4. The A4 were for, I got the frames only for 250. The A5 I got for 100. They were white, so I repainted them to the same also carat gold. I felt like I already have like too much white. The console has white. I want something to blend in. And also remember my sitting room has tones of gray, black and white, so I want something that can really balance each and everything out together. So yeah, just something to tone it down. So another thing that I discovered, and I think I showed you guys what I did. You remember those baskets? If you're my follower, you remember them. If you have been here for a very long time, you remember that those baskets, wow, they had handles. I went to karaoke a while back. Actually, not a while back. It's like I think a year ago. It's a year or a year and a half. No, I think a year ago. So I went to karaoke. I got them and they had the handles. And when sometimes I sit down and think about like, how about like if I get rid of this and this is what we like it. So this is what happened with those baskets. I really felt like the handles were really giving it a very bad aesthetic with now everything that is happening in the console, because the console is now giving it a very classy look. So I felt like I really wanted to get rid of the handles, and because it has also brown leather, so I wanted to feel like after I remove the handles and the rim at the end to give it a very good aesthetic. And let me say, I'm so pleased because it looks like it's supposed to be. For the living room, actually there is nothing major that I've done to it other than really painting the TV stand, the coffee table, yes, and maybe knowing how to layer the shawl and the pillows, and yeah, the wall art or the wall gallery. I felt like the walls were too plain, and I do not. If there's something that I've realized that is expensive in this Nairobi, is wall gallery. Like hey, yeah, these things are, sorry I'm cussing, but these things are very expensive. So the three frames that have canvas, I got them from Home.DECOR. Also, when I was getting the console mirror, remember I said they had a sale, so I got it for 900. So the three were for 2700, and I got them, by the way, I forgot to also mention, I got them from Surrey Center Mall, RP or HOMEBOX, both in Surrey Center. They have really nice sales most of the time, and they have also really unique things. So, and I also didn't want to go to the extremes of getting very expensive. The wall art with our picture, By the way, that is our Russian or our traditional wedding picture, one of my best pictures of all time. I got the same from where I got this other one that is on the console from that guy. I remember his name is called Danko Arts. I will look for his Instagram account and his contact and link them in the description. So that's about it. So, and I really put that shoulder to really complement the black and white. So let me finish by maybe showing you like how everything is coming out together, how everything has turned out. I hope that as I am going and I'm improving more, I'll be able to share with you guys. And I'll also be dropping a lot of videos on home styling, home improvement, home living, cooking menus and everything and whatnot. Yes. So thank you so much for being here, and until next time, bye.